What is going on, Jump Nation family? It is January the 14th, 2023, a big moment for the Rush Athletics family. We are opening, it's the official opening of Fly City, man. I got hair standing on my body, man. This is crazy. We've got people coming from all over the world, and we're just gonna celebrate with you. So sit back, relax, enjoy this banger of a video. Listen guys, thank you so much for making this happen. This is a dream come true.
I'd go back to you.
A little 3, 2, 1, yeah? Here we go. Let's start it off. Just count me in.
3, 2, 1.
All right. Cut. Welcome to Fly City, everyone. Enjoy your evening. Come follow me upstairs. Let's do this.
And what's the point of hiding? Everybody knows we got unfinished business, and I'll regret it if I didn't say this is
Come through, come through. Family, welcome to the commentary, man. We finally did it. I just wanted to quickly pop in and just say thank you to every single person watching this video right now. The vibes were electric this evening, and I just can't thank you enough. Like, you don't understand, like, we've been working on this project for a long time, over a year since we got kind of like the plans in motion, and so much hard work and dedication and sacrifice went into this project, and it couldn't have been done without your guys' support. This evening was amazing. Let me tell you, like, we had food, we had music, we had incredible energy and amazing positive vibes. So many people came, like I said, from so many corners of the UK and even Europe. And I just hope that they're watching right now and they appreciate it, because it was limited capacity. Obviously, we'll be doing more events in the future, and I want to get as many people through these doors to experience this place with me, and just, give you guys a hug, say what's up and say thank you. So enjoy the rest of this video. I will pop back in. It's electric, trust me.
Checking out the clothing. With this legend, look.
She's the best.
in your eyes, there's a heavy blue. Want to love and want to lose. Sweet divine, a heavy truth. Water and wine, don't make me choose. I wanna feel the way that we did that summer night. Drunk on a feeling, alone with the stars in the sky. I've been running through the jungle, I've been running with the wolves to get to you, to get to you. I've been down the darkest alleys of the dark side of the moon to get to you, to get to you, to get to you. Your fingertips trace with
I'm so happy to be here. It's been great seeing everybody, because we see each other through Instagram and now we're like together, and it's just great. I've always been into fitness my entire life, and I just needed kind of a physical and a mental push. And I was on YouTube really bored one day, and then I saw Rushy's videos and I was like, what is this? And I knew the basics, but again, little steps. And then you see Rushy, and I'm sure you filmed him like in London, and it was just absolutely amazing, like the angles and everything. I was like, yeah, I want to do this. Like, being able to film content, just the lighting, everything is just so well thought through. He's done an amazing job. I literally cannot wait to come back and just film a max of content.
Yes, people, 7:02. We've been going for about 3 hours. It's been mayhem, it's been crazy. The vibes have been so good. So many people have come from every single place you can imagine, all over the UK, We've had people come from Poland, Germany, where else? Italy. It's been crazy, and it's been so good to see so many faces. People that I talk to daily, like on Instagram, people that I've known for like 4 or 5 years on social media to turn up here. And I feel like the vibes are good. I feel like everyone's enjoying themselves. We just had some food, the drinks, and yeah, the energy is amazing. We're gonna try and get them on camera. We're gonna get some people to talk about their experience and what they think of this place. So if you're watching, hopefully it's gonna be all cinematic and sick. I'm just everywhere right now, so I'm gonna try and pop in and check in with you in a bit.
We were so bright, standing in the sunlight, never got burned. We were alright, had that easy kind of love, and I let it in for a moment. Felt like we were floating, baby, I swear we were golden. It was easy, natural as breathing air. And when the sky went dark, you think I would've known before we let it get this far. I should've let you go. Now I gotta crawl out of love. Now I gotta crawl out of love. It's so fucking easy to fall in, but now that this ain't what you promised, and tell me how to crawl out of love. Tell me how to
It's been great. I've met some great people. Rush and Lauren Jumps, they were the two that I saw first. And I'm glad that they're both here today, so I got to meet Lauren as well. I was one of those classics, like I had an Amazon rope. And the day I got the Rush Athletics rope changed the game for me in terms of skipping. And anyone that talks to me about skipping, I'm like, but what rope are you using first? It was the PVC, the money rope too. That's been a game changer.
Is that your favourite rope?
My favourite rope. I've got it in 3 colours, and I'm trying not to buy another one today.
My name's Ranj, I'm from Croydon, big up, blah. Come to the head office today, it's just sick. Man, it's just mind-blowing.
What's RA done for you and your skipping journey?
It was one of those activities that I underestimate. The fun you get from skipping and the different formations of doing it just activates something else in you, and it just makes you feel alive. And with the different types of ropes that Rishi's got, that's the difference, because then you start playing with different things.
Nova rope's coming soon, yeah?
Yeah, man, come bring it. I'm ready, man. I'm
It's
ready
coming.
to take that one,
It's
Rish.
coming. Don't tell Rush. Thank you, bro.
Congratulations. Big yourselves up. We'll definitely be back, man.
How's your night been?
My night, it's been sick. It's been so sick. Do you know, I was so nervous coming because so many people have come on their own. Like, you don't know, you know people off Instagram, but like I was nervous. I nearly cancelled earlier. I was coming with Lewis and I texted him and I was like, I think I'm gonna not come. You know, like I just don't think I want to. Yeah, I'm so glad I came. It's been such a good night. Everyone's in such a good mood. Everyone supports the brand, right? Like everyone is so invested in this brand. It's like changed our lives.
One thing I like about something like this is just the community. Like everyone has one goal. They want to see this succeed. Knowing someone who can teach you how to skip like aesthetically, fluently, you know, with a sense of style. You know, I didn't really see it in a lot of other people because, you know, everyone has their own personal view. But then seeing what Rushy has done, I think it's like, you know, I think he has made a lot of people thrive on wanting to do it that way because it looks good, you know, and I think it just builds the confidence.
Number 61. Who is it? Yeah! What's your name? What's your name? All right, go see one of the team at the end before you leave, yeah? Who wants a bonus one? Yeah? Oh, I'm excited about this. All right, number 36. Who is it? Who's the winner? All right, do you know what? Do you know what? Abigail, this is your virtual ticket. Thank you. All right, 1 second, stand here. Abigail, 1 second, I have to embarrass you. Guys, do you think this place it looks nice, yeah? I hope you do. This lady is the architect, the interior designer of this place. So shout out to her. Yeah, shout out to her. I wanna quickly ask Sophia to come to the front. This is Sophia. Sophia does all my branding. Go talk to her if you need anything done, logos, anything, all the packaging, all the fonts, all the lettering, everything RA. all the apparel collections. This is Sophia. Say big up. We all know this guy. He thinks I'm not going to mention him. Yeah. Mr. Nathan, we've been working together for many a year now. I've seen him grow. He's seen me grow old. A lot of grey hairs. Yeah, a lot of grey hairs. A lot of the content, but the visuals, everything behind the scenes, when we like all that content, all those promotions, all the campaigns, a lot of it is down to this guy here. So give him a round of applause.
Okay, so Rush doesn't know I'm putting this in, but I just wanted to say thank you to everybody. Today is my last day at RA, and I wanted to thank all of you lot who have supported me over the years, and especially Rush for giving me the opportunity to help grow this brand and create some amazing content. Thank you guys.
We also have to thank all the other people who are involved in kind of creating this place. My lovely other half. She's put in a lot of work. No, but she's had to deal with me. She's done everything behind the scenes to help me. And yeah, a lot of tonight is to do with her as well. She's organised every single little bit of detail, all the food, all everything else. So round of applause for her. Aisha, Nikki. I'm gonna have to embarrass you, come down here, please. A lot of the behind the scenes, if you watch my stories, if you watch YouTube and stuff, like I do keep a lot of things private. Come. See, they're shy, so I don't show them a lot of the time. But big round of applause for these girls, because during COVID, like last few years where I've needed hand, like doing orders and sorting my life out, organising my shelves, organising the stock and everything else, like they've just come down and they've literally come and they enjoy doing it. I don't know how, why. This sort of stuff doesn't happen without the right type of people behind you, backing you, the platforms. And as much as we want to kind of go off and do things on our own, it's our family behind us that have helped us to get to where we are. So I always want to show gratitude and thanks. Just one more big, massive round of applause for Mom and Dad in particular. They could have stopped and ended the dream if they were very, very, very typical and just said, I'm not allowed, or I've got to stay be an accountant. And that's the kind of crazy thing, because that's what happens a lot in what we do, right? And when we're growing up, like our parents really do have a lot of influence, and they luckily just let me do whatever the hell I wanted at a very important time in my life. And yeah, getting emotional. Thank you to all you guys. Again, seen so many amazing faces, beautiful people. My team are here. I haven't had a chance to catch up with as many of you as I wanted to, but you've come so far. Like a lot of you have come so far to just be here with us and experience this moment. And Fly City was a dream, I don't know, 2, 3, 4, 5 years ago, somewhere in my head, and we're standing here together right now at this moment in time. So thank you. Give yourselves a big round of applause. It's one of the most incredible communities to exist right now on the internet, and still so many people don't know about it, right? We're just still, you know, you might think skipping's big now, everyone's doing it, there's so many skipping accounts. This is nowhere near gym, this is nowhere near yoga, this is nowhere near runners community, right? But at the same time, look how much support is in this place. So keep doing what you're doing out there, keep promoting, keep pushing your visions. Whether it's skipping, whether it's something else you've got an idea in, go after it. Let me tell you, this is the one example where you're standing right now. Remember the butterfly effect. The next move you make can be big, and we're standing here in something very big. So thank you so much. We're going to cut the cake. So 3, 2, 1, create your legacy. All right, we're going to cut. We are 11:30. I reckon it's 11:30 right now. The sickest day, night of my life. Yeah, it's been hard to come to the camera and talk, so I don't know how this video is going to look. Hopefully you're just going to see just some cool vibes. And it's finally done, bro.
It's been a good night.
We've finally done it, man. We've finally done it. Fly City's open. People, I don't know what else to say, but thank you. Like, I love you all. You guys are like my family. And whatever you keep doing out there, keep dreaming big. Keep pushing harder and harder. Keep flying boss. And yeah, man, later on we fly. Peace out. See you in the next video. As always, peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.